Presenting the HP Victus AMD Ryzen 7-5800H 16.1-inch. It comes with 16 MB L3 cache, 8 cores, 16 threads and storage, 1 TB PCIe NVMe TLCM.2 SSD. It has display, 40.9 cm diagonal, QHD, 165 Hz. It features Alexa built-in. It also features 3 milliseconds response time, IPS, micro edge, anti-glare. It also features Miracast Compatible and Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth. The delivery box contains laptop and power adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.